Thank you for choosing the Boerboel 24-inch heavy-duty drop rod, an ideal solution for securing a gate. This kit includes one heavy-duty drop rod, 2 drop rod brackets, and hardware. Boerboel hardware is designed for use on many different types of gates, including vinyl, aluminum, and wood. So check the hardware and material you're drilling into to determine the drive type and drill size. The hardware shown in this video may be slightly different than your kit, depending on the application. Gather the tools you'll need before you get started: a drill with an appropriate size drill bit, a square or Phillips drive bit, a tape measure, a pencil, and safety glasses. Let's get started. Mark pilot holes for the lower drop rod bracket 2 inches from the bottom edge of the gate. If you're installing the drop rod into concrete, you will first need to drill a receiver hole into the ground where the rod will be inserted. Next, pre-drill the holes using the appropriate drill bit. Mount the lower drop rod bracket and secure in place using 4 of the screws provided. Next, thread the rod through the upper drop rod bracket and then through the installed lower bracket into the ground or receiving hole. Finally, with the tabs in the lock position, attach the top bracket to the gate in the same way you attach the bottom bracket. Mark and pre-drill the pilot holes, and then secure the bracket in place using the 4 screws provided. Attaching the top bracket is important because it makes sure the drop rod does not drag when the gate is opened or closed. For added security, you can secure the gate with a padlock. For more information or to download the written instructions for the Boerboel 24-inch drop rod, visit boerboelgatesystems.com.